our task is we just want to entering into our hotmail.com, right?
Yeah.
So right after that, checkbox is there. We need to identify that particular checkbox, right?
Mm-hmm.
This checkbox. So here we are putting some condition like if it is already checked, then display a message like checkbox is already checked. If it is not, if it is not checked automatically means okay, we need to check this checkbox like this. That is our task, right? Means how handle with checkpoint. So how we are doing? First of all, driver dot URL. We are going to come. We are coming with this one, right? Hotmail.com everything, right? So you know already how we are going to come here.
Yeah.
Okay. So observe. Okay. So how the work will process means observe. So this is I'm just explaining with this one. So here, first of all, we are trying to entering into our driver dot get URL. That particular URL we just want to enter like http dot hotmail.com like this. Okay. After that, driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. What is the use of this one? Means while execution time, it is used to maximize your window. Okay. It is
Okay.
used to maximize your window. Okay. 1 second, please. Sorry. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Sirisa.
Hi. Hi, Gaurav. Okay, so Ankita. So
Yeah.
next, so I'm trying to find out. So after clicking on that one, I'm trying to find out this element, right? Like how inspect element with Firebug. Okay, so if I find out, so after that, that element I just saved in a one web element. Web element means this is a reference. It is used to save the reference of the particular element. Web element means it is used to save the reference of that particular element.
Okay.
Okay. So next here I'm putting some if else condition like if that element, so observe here web element is element which is used to save the reference of that particular element. So it will, so here I'm giving you one reference object, object reference element I'm creating this object. Okay, if you want to call, you can able to call by using this one. Anyway, if you want to call this particular checkboxes, checkbox is identified, okay, that will be saved in this particular name element. Okay, by using web element, web element means it is used to save the reference of that particular element. Next, I'm putting some condition. If the checkbox reference is saved in element, right? So we are going to check if checkboxes is selected or not. If it is selected, we can display message like checkbox is already selected. Okay. If it is not selected, observe checkbox is not checked. We have to checking now. So observe how we are going to check it. Element dot click means checkbox is checking. Element dot click. So like that work will be processed. Driver dot close means after executing automatically browser is closed. So is
Okay.
it clear?
Yeah.
Like this work will be processed. Is it clear right now?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So like that work will be processed. Checkbox, handling checkboxes. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about the alert. Okay. Alert message means what? First of all, we need to go ahead with the facelinytravels.com. Under this, just click on check file. Okay. Under this, I am going to give it as a one information and click on search button. So if a search button, some alert message is coming up, right? One alert is coming up. So in this situation, we are going to navigate to this main page to the alert page. Okay, what is the information it is passing, like select destination, something it is information is passing, right? I want to capture that information, and after that I want to click on okay, but accept the alert. I just want to accept the alert. So that is our task. Okay guys, is it clear everybody?
Unmuted.
So today's task is that one, how to handle with alerts. So for that we know already. First of all, we need to invoke the browser, right on. After that, we need to URL, which URL you have to open. Okay, right on. 1 second. Ashim is joined. Yeah, hi Ashim.
Hi, Shirisa. I'm sorry I'm late.
So daily you have to join first, yeah. Why? Because you're only your system only all the things are doing, right?
I'm really sorry I'm late. I
Okay,
just
okay.
got I just got caught up with my work today a little bit. So okay.
Okay, just share your screen.
Mhm.
Okay, open a Firefox, everything. So I already explained you what is the task today. Alert messages, right? We need to handle with alert. Okay. So first of all, for that, what we are doing? First of all, we have to open browser. Invoke a browser.
Right.
Which browser you
Mhm.
want, right? The next, we need to go ahead with that particular URL. Okay. So how we are going to that URL? Driver dot get URL strong URL, right? So the next, I just click on check. How we are going to click? First of all, we are trying to identify that element, right? Driver dot find element by, right? Then next, we just identified. After that, we need to click. We need to perform the action, right? Click, right or not. Okay. So yeah, first of all, just do like this. Just create a class with the name of
Okay.
alert.
Web driver. No, I'm sorry. It's actually class. Okay, it's done.
Go ahead. After that, what you want to do?
Oh,
First of all, we need to invoke the browser, right? So
mhm.
go to checkboxes and copy and paste it out there. The browser details.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry.
After that, what you want to do? Next, what do you want to do? Next, driver dot get that particular URL, right? How we are going to that
Hmm.
URL? Driver dot, okay. So get URL, right?
Hmm.
Okay, get string URL. Just enter, and what is the URL you have to copy? Like HTTP colon. Okay, so what is that URL? Okay, next. After this one, what we have to do? We need to find out the element of check fare, right? We need to click on that one. You know already how to write it, right or not?
Hmm.
Right, Ashim?
Uh-huh.
And guys, and tell me. So Rupali and everybody. So just try to help to Ashim. Ashim is doing. Okay. Yeah, go ahead, Ashim. Write it out there. First
Okay.
of all, try to identify that.
So you said like for this uh we're checking the alert messages, right?
Like inspect element with Firebug. Sorry,
Firebug. Hmm.
inspect element with Firebug Ocean. You are going to identify the
The alert
check
messages.
fare. Here, check fare. You have to identify it. Go
Okay.
back. You need to click on the check fare, right? Okay. So go back. Here you have to. What happened? Here you have to identify this element. Like right click, inspect element with Firebug. So same thing. Driver dot. You have to write in the code like driver dot get find element by using ID or what you specify like that. Just write the code related to that one.
The ID
If ID is
is the
there, then
ID.
go ahead take it.
Okay. All right, guys, you're with me.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just
Sorry.
need to copy this ID, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right, let me just check out previous class. Now it's I'm just trying to
Do that checkbox Java
checkbox. Okay.
so we can get some idea from yesterday's class.
Yeah, so I think we should write like web element, because we have the ID, right? So I can just like first I can just copy paste this and I can just change the ID.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
till here?
Okay. Where are you?
So we're inspecting this alert message, right? Rupali?
We are
Anyone?
working on check here, right? So we have to click it, right? Or check there.
Yeah.
So I don't think it will be like yesterday's. There's no
Yeah.
condition on it. So what we
There's,
can do
mhm.
is,
We're actually going.
yeah, can you
This
show
is
the
our
work?
task, right? We're
Yeah,
checking the check fare, right?
yeah.
So we
So we
just
have to
inspected.
click it.
Mm-hmm.
Check.
So actually, after that, I think we've done something like this before too, right? Like, if we need to check the check fare, then we actually need to click that button over there. So I think we went through this in like previous class, or
Yeah. Maybe on login. No, no, no. That's not that.
okay, let me check. Are there like two conditions over here, like round trip and one way?
No, there was a way that the pop-up had come up. That's what she's looking for. The alert.
Mm-hmm.
You need to save in the web element, not the manager. Okay. So the driver dot find element by ID, right? Check fit. You need to what you do. You need to click on that particular one, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So after that, after you just clicked, after that, what you want to do? After this, clicking on check for after that, what you want to do?
We just want to
Then you
like.
need to enter. Yeah, here you need to enter some data, right? First of
Mm-hmm.
all, you have to identify this drop down. Okay. So like a
Oh,
inspect element with.
okay.
So what is the information which is coming up?
ID equals CT something.
Yeah, ID is
100.
there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm trying to find the element. ID. So go to, yeah. So how you can able to write it like you
I
can able
think
to write
it's
it.
this. Is it the same way? Like, since we're writing the ID,
It would
Yeah.
so
Driver dot
driver dot
find element
find an element by. Mm-hmm.
by dot ID.
ID.
So this is the ID
paste.
information. So
Okay.
what I have to do
We are
here, I
entering.
want the drop down. We are entering some data. I mean send keys, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what keys we have to send it? We have to write it over there. Okay. So which one? What keys we have to send?
We had done it for the source. So
So I think now
actually,
it's.
would it?
I just captured this one. I just captured this one. So I'm going to send the keys. Okay. So like that. After I send keys, what I want to do, I need to click on search button, right or not? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
And it's on search button. Same thing. Inspect element with Firebug.
Yeah,
Easy
and
one,
there's
right?
the ID.
Excuse me.
Ankita, what you are saying? How do you open? Okay, okay. Inspect element with Firebug, Ankita. You need to download. 1 second. At the end of the class, I will explain.
And
Okay.
Siris, I had this question like, we did for that source part, right? And for the destination and journey, we don't have to do anything for that.
Destination.
And journey, date, you know.
Actually, right now I just want to handling the alert messages. Okay, that's
Oh,
what
oh,
just I'm doing
okay.
it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
All right.
so I think here it is also information is there, right? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so same driver
Dot.
dot find element one by what ID, right? Okay, so dot
We're
how
clicking on it.
click it
So click,
right
yeah.
off.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so yeah, like that what will be process. Okay, so the so when we execute that one alert message is coming up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so how to handle that alert? How to handle that alert? First of all, we are going to switch to that particular alert from main page to the alert page. We are going to switch to. So observe, I'm taking alert is one predefined class. Alert. So I'm giving it as A1 reference object A1 equals to. So I'm trying to switch to alert. That how means driver dot switch to alert. Driver dot switch to alert dot alert. Okay, means main page to the alert page we are going to switch it. Okay, so after we are switching to alert, then what we have to do?
Capture the information that's on there, the alert message.
Yes, we are going to capture that one, right? So here it needs to import it. That is only. Oh, yes. Let me save this one. So the next, after we are switching to alert, what I want to do, then we need to display the text belongs to that alert, right? So how we can display, like observe system dot println println. So observe by using a1 dot. So I want to get the text belongs to that alert, right? So that alert I just saved it in a1 reference object, right? So get text belongs to that. Okay. Okay, we are going to get the text belongs to that particular. Means what is the alert message? What is the information there? It is trying to capture that. After that, I want to accept the alert, right? How a1 dot accept, right? I just want to accept that alert. So right now, I'm trying to execute this one. Just observe how it is executed. Observe, select destination. The message is captured, right or not? Alert message is captured, right? So, and it is accept. Alert is accepted also, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right or not? Alert message is captured and that alert is accepted also. Like that work will be processed. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
So what about remaining people?
No, actually, not me.
What is your doubt, Rupali?
Number one is where did you?
Mm-hmm.
I know that you captured Ahmedabad, so I would like to know that. That how did you do that? And number
Here it is.
two, okay,
One second. Alert is a predefined class. Okay. So by using this one, I just want to switch to that particular alert.
okay,
Okay. a predefined class. Okay, so driver dot we are going to switch to alert.
Okay.
Okay, alert is we are going to switch directly alert. So that reference object we are going to save it in a A1. Okay, so by using that one, I just want to in the alert messages we are having text. So I just want to get the text. So A1 dot get text means it is used to get the text belongs to that particular alert. And
Okay.
after A1 dot accept means A1 means alert message. Alert
Okay.
message dot accept. I'm going to accept the alert messages.
Okay. So
Okay.
this is when you're right clicking. How do I know that what message was captured?
Here it is already in the well execution time it is coming now.
Mm-hmm.
That this that thing
It's not going to be displayed on this page.
page is displaying here, but it is fastly executing,
Okay.
right? Maybe you cannot identify that's it. But when we are doing manually means you can able to identify it. Just observe. So while execution time it is fastly executing, so that's why you can't identify.
Okay. Sorry.
After that, just click on check fail. Observe. Automatically capture. Fast state executing. I already explained. WebDriver concept is fast. Right?
Mm-hmm.
It is fast. You open it and it is captured and it is accepted immediately within few seconds.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. What is our next doubt?
Oh, that's it.
What about Joe's man, Ankita?
I
Ankita,
just got half of it.
what?
I just got half of it, not completely.
What is your doubt, Ankita? That's what I'm asking. If you let me know
I don't
your
know,
doubt,
it's not
I will
getting
clarify.
into my mind. Like I think I've not taken the starting classes. That's why it's not getting into my mind.
Starting classes, there is no nothing. Actually, from Java concepts only, these WebDriver concepts are coming up. These are entirely different ones compared to IDEs. Okay, you didn't miss anything. Only two or three only you just missed. Okay, so that
Yeah.
is earlier you just asked me like how we are going to inspect element with Firebug, right? How we are going to coming of HTML source, how it is coming, right? So observe, we need to install inspect element with Firebug option. Okay,
Okay.
so I'm making the presenter. Just share your screen. Just share your screen, Ankita. Okay, so observe. Here we need to install inspect element with Firebug. So how means observe. I'm opening Firefox. Firefox updating.
Yeah. Whenever I open it, it's updating.
Okay, so how means observe. We are already installed ID, right?
Mm-hmm.
Firebug with Firefox. So observe here, Firebug with Firefox. Okay, so here it is.
Congratulations! You've been selected to take part in our anonymous survey. Please take our 30-second questionnaire, and to say thank you, we'll offer you an exclusive reward.
Then what happened? Can you please close this one?
And
What happened? Automatically it is navigating to the PC repair tool. Why in your system it is now? Can you please search it for me? Firebug with Firefox. And get that.
Firefox is never working in my laptop. I don't know what's the reason.
Firebug with Firefox.
Which link should I open?
Down. Come to down. Down. Here it is,
More
first one. Here it is. Here it is.
please?
Firebug. Yeah, Firebug add-ons to the Firebug. It is automatically navigating to the PC. Here it is. You need to click on this. Here, add to Firefox.
Okay.
Install. So it will be installed. So observe in this situation where I'm trying to find it out. Like for example, so if I click on sign in means how right click inspect element with Firebug option. Here it is coming up, right?
Okay.
Okay. So if you click on that one, you can able to Excel HTML code is coming up.
Congratulations! You've been selected to take part in our anonymous survey. Please take our 30-second questionnaire, and to say thank you, we'll offer you an exclusive reward.
So right now, if you right click on that one, you can able to identify by using inspect element with Firebug. Okay,
Yeah.
right click and with Firebug means your code is correct. Okay.
Okay.
For that you need to install Eclipse. Just search and install in through Google. Just search in a Google like Eclipse. Okay.
Okay.
And Java. So do you install Java also? Do you have Java?
I think I have it. Um,
Just check it out.
I do have the JDK and NetBeans. I used NetBeans before, so I have NetBeans.
Okay. So here in this situation, just uh, meanwhile I just check it out. Java is there or not? Eclipse. You need to install Eclipse. So you can go ahead Eclipse. Okay.
I have a clip that's used for the Android thing.
Eclipse. Eclipse one we are using.
Huh?
Eclipse. You have to install Eclipse. JRE 7.
Yeah.
JDK JRE 7 is there. Okay, if you want to go ahead, you can able to install JDK 8.1 something like this. Otherwise, you can go ahead with this. Okay.
On this also,
What?
I can do on this also, JRE7.
Try to do it. So older version. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And after that, just search it for the Eclipse in Google. You can able to go ahead. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So tomorrow we'll meet back and how to tomorrow we are going to discuss about the how to handle drop downs. Okay, so drop down messages are there. How we are going to handle drop down we are going to discuss. Okay,
Okay.
and Ashim tried to join earlier. Okay, but because
Yeah, I'm so sorry about today. I'll be in time tomorrow because I just got caught up with some work.